Hello everyone, today I want to introduce you basic circuit elements. So this is a particular electronic circuit and this one is basically the whole plate. This is called printed circuit board or PCB. Now you people see very clearly here different electronic circuit elements. uh, the first one, this one is the capacitor, which is basically electrolytic capacitor, or you can say that polar capacitor. And similarly here you see the green ones, smaller and bigger. These are also capacitor, which are basically film capacitor and some other kinds of capacitors, because you know that capacitors also have different types and used for different purposes. uh, Depends upon their usage and function in a particular electronic circuit. Different types of capacitors are used in different places. So basically this is the polar electrolyte capacitor, and capacitor is basically used in a circuit to boost or to gain maximum energy, to gain high voltage. For example, you people see this one is a 3.6 microfarad capacitor, uh, which means that its capacity is 3.6 microfarad, and it build up 400 volt potential difference. So basically it is basically used to give maximum energy per unit charge. Similarly, the function of capacitor in different electronic circuit is as a filter, as a low pass filter, as a high pass filter, in order whether we want to block or pass low or high frequency signals, etc. Similarly, along with capacitor, there is also a very important role of inductor in a circuit, and you people see very clearly here the inductors as well. This one is basically inductor and this one is also inductor. Inductors also have different types. This one inductor is basically, you people see here, this is cylindrical type of inductor, and toroid type of inductor is also there. So similarly there are so many different types of inductors. For example, air core inductor, toroid inductor, iron core inductor, cylindrical. Different types of inductors are also used in different circuits for different purposes. And similarly, you people see very clear here that this one is basically a transistor. Transistor is basically also one of the important circuit element, and it have three terminals. You may clearly seen here that the transistor have also it one two three transistor possesses three terminals. It is a three terminal device which is used for switching and amplification. uh, you people know very well that transistor is mainly used as an amplifier. It is also used as a switch. Now, transistor also have different types: BJT, FET, JFET, JPET, MOSFET जिसको हम कहते हैं, and bipolar junction transistors. Similarly, there are also different types of transistors as well. Now, another circuit element you people see here is this one is known as diode. And similarly, you know also very well that diode also have different types. For example, Schottky diode or Schottky diode, Zener diode, photodiode, light emitting diode. So there are different types of diodes, but the main purpose of diode here are in so many other circuits is basically as a rectifier to convert AC into DC. It may also form a bridge circuit in order to convert 100% AC into DC. So diode is basically used as a rectifier, and rectifier may be half wave or full wave rectifier. So diode is basically a non-linear device, and the function of which is basically to convert AC into DC. Similarly, diode can also be used for transformation of light into electrical energy. For example, in case of photodiode, or in case of LED, it convert electrical energy into light. So the diode function is also different at different places. Similarly, you people see also these color code resistors here, or you people see very clear here, these are also color code resistors. So color code resistors are also basically used, and these are very prominent and very best kind of resistors, because the function of resistor in a circuit is to limit the flow of current, or what particular uh, uh, level of current we want in a particular circuit. So in order for that, we can adjust or fix the value of particular resistor and plant that resistor there. These are fixed resistors. We have also variable resistors as well, which are not here you people see, but there are different kinds of resistors, but these are basically carbon color code resistors. And similarly, there are also another variable resistors, wire wound resistors, and so many other kind of resistors. Similarly, this one is transformer. So I hope you people like this video. If you like this, then please kindly subscribe this channel for upcoming interesting videos related to daily life and nature. Thanks for your time.